Okay, so we're just heading out because you crashed my quad. I was doing a flip,
RSSI low.
and now my controller was bleeping at me. And then my foot spazzed out on me. And now I don't know. So
RSSI.
I've got the buzzer on. It's not lost yet. I still have VTX signal on this. Hear it. Found it.
Buzzer on.
Oh. So the Firefly's still on it. Been a prop. Yeah. Okay, so the Firefly is still recording. I broke this. The battery seems okay. And I've been a prop. Lose them a lot when you're doing racing. It's just a bit of a daily thing. Is it actually very windy? Can I just not hear very well in this thing?
Yeah, it's really windy now.
Oh, okay, so I don't know.
Back when it was spazzing out and that one was working well.
What?
When you